Presenting the AVITA LIBER V14 laptop, which comes with Windows 10 Home operating system and weighs 1.25 kilograms. This laptop is available in 15 color variants: Angel Blue, Matte Black, Blossom Pink, Champagne Gold, Cloud Silver, Flowers on Yellow, Fragrant Lilac, Himalayan Blue, AVITA Purple, Pearl White, Shamrock Green, Space Grey, Sunflower Yellow, Sunrise Orange, Urban Ruby. The Intel Core i5 10th generation processor gives you lag-free experience. The laptop comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM and an integrated Intel UHD graphics 620, providing a smooth computing experience. It has an internal storage of 512GB SSD for better system responsiveness while also making it just enough to store all your data. It comes with a 36.7 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. This AVITA LIBER laptop features a 14-inch Full HD display with a maximum pixel resolution of 1920 by 1080 for your viewing experience. It also features backlit keyboard, making it possible to work even in the dark. The laptop has fingerprint scanner for safe and secured login. It has two USB 3.0 ports, one USB Type-C port, one audio combo jack, one micro HDMI port, and one micro SD card slot for easy connectivity. Inside the box, you can find the laptop, AC adapter, user guide and manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
This grey Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3i is an ultra-sleek laptop weighing just 1.5 kgs, making it ideal for people on the go. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. Powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, the laptop allows for seamless multitasking. With 6 MB Smart Cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. The laptop comes pre-installed with MS Office, making it ready for use. The laptop features an 8GB DDR4 RAM with integrated graphics card that allows you to switch easily between multiple applications. The laptop has 512GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up. while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 35-watt lithium polymer battery that provides a battery life of up to 7.5 hours. It also features a battery-saving mode for long-lasting power. The Lenovo Ideapad laptop has a 14-inch Full HD display with anti-glare technology, offering an immersive viewing experience from every angle. The narrow bezel on two sides makes for a clean design and larger display, giving you more viewing area. Equipped with 1.5-watt dual speakers with Dolby Audio, the laptop provides for an immersive audio experience. The laptop has two USB 3.1 ports, one USB 2.0 port and one HDMI port for easy connectivity. It also comes with a SD card reader. This laptop comes with charger and user manual included in the box. This laptop comes with a 1-year warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Mi Notebook 14 thin and light laptop in the color silver, which weighs 1.5 kg. Powered by 10th generation Intel Core i5-10210U processor with 1.6 GHz base speed, 4.2 GHz maximum speed, 4 cores and 8 threads. This notebook comes with pre-installed Office 365. The 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM with Intel UHD graphics card gives you a lag-free experience. With 512GB SSD, you can store your pictures, music, movies worry-free. This Mi Notebook gives you up to 10 hours of battery life. The 14-inch Full HD display with 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution and anti-glare screen gives you an immersive experience. The stereo speakers with DTS audio let you enjoy your music in its all glory. This Mi Notebook also features 720 pixels high-resolution webcam. This notebook has two USB 3.1 ports, one USB 2.0 port, one HDMI out port and a 3.5mm jack for easy connectivity. Inside the box you will find the notebook, power adapter, power cord and user manual. This notebook comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page. This Dell Inspiron laptop weighs only 1.66 kg. The laptop comes with pre-installed Windows 10, making it ready to use. The laptop is equipped with 1.0 GHz Intel Core i5 10th generation processor for smooth performance. This laptop has 8 GB RAM and Intel HD graphics. This Dell laptop has a 1 TB hard drive which is sufficient to hold all your videos, movies and photos. This laptop comes with one lithium-ion battery. The laptop has a 14-inch Full HD display for an immersive experience. This laptop has one USB 2.0 port, two USB 3.0 ports, one HDMI port, one audio out port, one Ethernet port and one microphone port. This laptop comes with AC adapter included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit cards, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.